went to the big box garden center to look for some clearance houseplants, but when I got there, I couldn't help but notice a huge truck out front unloading some plants. Oftentimes at these big box garden centers, it's a rip off for plants because they are way overpriced. For example, I saw these large tomato plants for almost $20. And looking at more of the plants that they have available, they do have a pretty good selection of plants, but I still feel like they're overpriced. These are currently on sale for a whole 50 cents cheaper, but this is just a slight discount and I still think it's overpriced. Most big box stores do not take care of their plants. These probably just came right off of the truck, which is why they look so nice. And I know that a lot of nurseries now are trying to move away from using pesticides, but these at the big box store have likely been treated with pesticides. And this has got to be the biggest ripoff. This container of lettuce is nearly $10. Let's go inside the store and check out their seeds. So yeah, you can get tomato seeds for $2.79 a pack, and you can grow more than one tomato plant. Same with the lettuce. In fact, these are seeds for the very same lettuce variety as that $10 container outside. And lettuce grows so fast and it's pretty effortless in my opinion, and the container here at the big box is likely to bolt sooner due to how mature it is. So you're probably not going to get that much out of that $10 container. But with seeds, you can succession sow. And yes, growing seeds does take a little bit of work and a little bit of planning, but it's worth it in my opinion. And also, just as a reminder, just because it's being sold at a store does not mean it's time to grow it. Things like garlic, for example, should be planted in the fall, not spring. You're probably not going to get good results planting garlic in the spring with summer on the horizon. So don't let these big box stores rip you off and sell you overpriced plant starts or things that are out of season.